Before hitting the beach, make sure you wear your sunscreen. You need at least SPF 15 on your face for sufficient protection. Why is this so important? Experts claim that 90% of deteriorating skin changes are due to sun damage, not old age. So if you want your skin to be in tip-top shape later on, now's the time to protect your skin. You want to even out your complexion for that special someone? Yeah, don't think I don't know. I got the trick for you. Take your favorite moisturizer, oil-free is best. And with my nifty mixing palette ring, squirt out a bit of your favorite foundation and mix it with your moisturizer. And that's it. Simple. Your tinted moisturizer is ready to be used. Apply this on your face. A little goes a long way. Keep it as natural looking as possible. You don't want that cake face look. Unless you're a cake. Yeah, I know, that was lame. Moving on to the eyes. Because I have very thin lashes, a little bit of mascara makes the biggest difference for me. And if you're already blessed with luscious long lashes, not only should you skip this step, but you should also donate some to me. Last step, your cheeks and lips. I'm going to use a lip and cheek stain. Dab it on your palette, and with a brush, I'm going to apply this stain onto my cheeks. A tinted blush, usually, lasts longer than powder and cream blushes. The reason why is because the formula absorbs right into your skin, so it really looks as if your skin is blushing. If you're not tanned yet, use a bit of bronzer to add extra color to your face. But don't worry, your skin will look sun-kissed in no time thanks to the sun. And now, just dab the lip stain on your lips. Keep in mind that whenever you use lip stain, make sure you apply lip balm before applying the lip stain because lip stains, they don't really have as much moisturizing properties as lip glosses and lipsticks. And now, your beach look is complete. It's so natural looking that special someone won't even notice. But honestly, they should love you for you. Don't forget to wear your sunglasses to protect your eyes and a hat to protect your face. Just have fun being lazy under the sun.